ANCEL BD310 is a new generation 2-in-1 OBD2 scanner which provides both Bluetooth and handheld modes. It's not only a diagnostic tool, but also can be used as an automotive computer with digital gauges. Helping you diagnose the engine error codes and monitor real-time data. Its trip management function allows you to record the driving time, distance, and the performance test function, and can do the acceleration performance test and braking distance performance test, and so on. Meanwhile, you can use it to generate and share the diagnosis reports with your friends or mechanics for further repair. Its battery detection function helps you to monitor your vehicle's battery automatically with reliable real-time graph data form instead of a direct result on the scanner screen that an ordinary code reader does. ANCEL BD310 2-in-1 automotive trip computer and diagnostic scan tool.